Here's a quick video on how to change a cooling fan module on a 2003 Mazda MPV. Been having problems with the car overheating. Did some research online, and this is a very common part that fails on almost all these cars. So step number one is you got to take out the battery. I already did that part. If you can't figure that out, don't try doing this repair. Step number two is you got to take out the tray that the battery sits on. Got to take out 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts and bolts, and then that's my next step. So let me finish doing that. I'm going to take out this one. I already took out these two, and there's one more back here, I believe. Yeah, right here. There's another one. So I've got to take out those, and the piece you want to replace is going to be right there. All right, so I lied. There's actually one more right back there you have to get to. Voila, that comes out. All right, now you have pretty clear access to the fan control module. It sits in there like this. There's 2 bolts you got to take out and 3 plugs. So let's take those out. There's one on this side and there's one on this side. So boom, boom. Okay, so I've gotten those 2 bolts out now. Just sitting there hanging by these 3 wires, these 3 cables here. So you got to squeeze these clips and pull them out. Okay, so it was pretty easy to get this first cable off of there, off of this one. But I'm having a little bit of trouble getting the other 2 off. All right, so I think I'm gonna have to take out this metal tray too. I don't have enough room here. I'm trying to pull these 2 plugs off and I just can't get anything going. I don't know if this is gonna help, but I'm pretty stuck right now. All right, so I got this metal tray out of there. You gotta also pull out this battery cable from here. And now I might have enough room to pull out these wires. Okay, so one thing I did was I put the rod that holds the hood up. I used a lever and it gave me a lot more range of motion down here, and I was able to pull out one of them just now. And I'm gonna try pulling out this other guy. Okay, so that seemed to give me the room that I needed to pull out that last cable. I used a level, put this down, and I had enough room. So now, that's the old guy. Match it up with the new guy. Looks to be pretty good. Gonna install this and do everything in reverse. All right, so I got the new one installed.